All right, welcome everybody. This is going to be a brief overview of what I got over here, which is the Osmo Pocket 3. So this is about some of the basic functions and how to take basic videos with it. So check it out. All right, so we have our Pocket 3, and to fire it up, we're going to go ahead and turn the screen, and that's going to go and move the gimbal. It's going to be set, the camera's going to be set. And if you have your microphone, you just power it on by pressing the power button till it goes and connects. And you'll notice that it connects when the blue light goes steady. And the green bar on the top and bottom, they start moving up and down with your volume levels. And this is a great microphone. It could be clipped. You go ahead and pass it back and forth in an interview situation. It works really good. All right, basic shooting modes for the Osmo. If you want to go and turn selfie mode on, you're going to press this little icon on the lower right, and that'll change it into like a front-facing mode. And again, that goes back to that mode there. You can move the camera left, right, up and down, just like that. You can zoom with this rocker on the side. But once you're ready to start filming, you're just going to tap this red button here. It'll make a little noise, a little beep, and then it'll start recording. And then when you're done, you go ahead and hit that again. And then if you want to get your footage out and start editing it, you have to go and just pop the SD card. That's right here. That comes right out just like that. And also goes back in. To turn off the Pocket 3, there's a few ways to do it. You could turn the screen, but that also has another different feature to it. You can also hard press the record button, and then I'll turn it off. If you wanted to shoot in vertical mode, there's a few ways to do that, but you can go ahead and close it like this and tap continue, and now it'll be in vertical mode, and you can shoot video in vertical. All right, and that's pretty much it. And then again, like I said, turn it off. You're gonna hold the circle, and then it goes off. And that's about it. Make sure you turn the microphone off too when you're done using it.